In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put text over an image in Mailchimp. So first open up your Mailchimp dashboard, then in the left panel, go to campaigns, and here start creating or edit an existing email campaign. Next is open up the email editor by clicking on edit design. So first, of course, you need to add in your image, and to do that in the left panel or left toolbar, drag an image block to your layout. And of course, here upload the image you want to use as a background. So in the left panel, you can click on the add button and you can source your image from your saved images in your PC. So you can upload it here or you can also browse images or add from Canva. The next is click on your image and in this lower toolbar, click on the edit button. Now this new window will open up where you can basically edit anything inside the image. Now here in the left toolbar, click on text and as you can see, it is placed directly over the image. And here all you have to do is type in your text and use the editor in the left panel to adjust font, size, color, and alignment so it stands out against the image. You can also opt for pre-designed text by clicking on text design and here add in your text, then choose for pre-made designs that you can use for your text. Then once done, click on the save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!